Zain everyone, in this video I'll talk about GDP, Gross Domestic Product. GDP is one of the most important indicator to measure any country's economic performance. And GDP refers to the total monetary value of all final goods and services produced within a country during a specific period of time, usually 1 year. And it also reflects health and size of an economy. The importance of GDP include that it helps government officials to formulate policies, it helps investors to take decisions to invest or not in a particular economy. It also indicates the employment and the income levels of any country, and it also helps the people of other countries to compare the economies of various people, various countries, and formulate their opinion on the basis of that. So there are three types of GDP. First one is nominal GDP. The nominal GDP is calculated by the current market prices and it is influenced by inflation. Second one is real GDP. Real GDP is adjusted for inflation and it is the most accurate measure of any economic growth. Second one is per capita GDP. When GDP is divided by population, you'll get the per capita GDP, and it is the average output produced by per capita of any country. So the India's GDP performance. India is one of the fastest growing GDP and economy of the world, and its growth have been derived by the services sector and manufacturing and the agriculture sector predominantly. And at the same time, many government policies like UPI, Digital India, Make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat, etc. has accelerated the India's GDP and improved it. So we'll talk about the limitations of GDP. Limitations of GDP is that it ignores the income inequality of any country, and at the same time it also ignores the unpaid household work by women, and it ignores the environmental degradation also. So in the way forward, like if any country's government want to improve the country's GDP, they should focus on the innovation and the entrepreneurship, manufacturing and the export, and at the same time they should also focus on the human development, skill development and sustainable growth, sustainable development, because GDP it can be the measure of economic development, but a true development is only accompanied when it is accompanied by the social welfare and environmental sustainability and the inclusive development of all